Find the equation of circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the equation of circumcircle. So to find the equation of circumcircle, what we have to do is, see here, what are these three represents? These three represents the sides of a triangle. Let me see. X plus 2y is equal to 4, equation 1. X plus y is equal to 6, equation 2. X plus 2y is equal to 5, equation 3. Now these are the three equations. So first what we do is, we find the three vertices of a triangle. We find the three vertices of a triangle. See now A, B, C are the three vertices. I am representing them as A, B, C. Now side AB is represented by the equation 2x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so this is equation 1. And x plus y is equal to 6 represents side BC, and x plus 2y is equal to 5 represents side AC. So to find the equation of circumcircle, first we find out all the three vertices, then we find out the equation of circumcircle. Okay, so first we find out, we'll solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. See, we are solving the two equations by elimination method. So 2x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 6. So I am solving to eliminate any one of the variables, either x or y. So here clearly y can be eliminated by subtracting. So we subtract. This is minus, minus, minus. Okay. So 2x minus x is x. Plus y minus y cancels. Is equal to 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? It is 2x plus y is equal to 4. See, x is equal to minus 2. We are substituting in equation 1. So I am writing the equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 4. So x value I am substituting. So 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus y is equal to 4. So minus 4 plus y is equal to 4. So what is y value? It is clearly 4 plus 4, 8. So we got the y value. Y value is 8. So now what is point A we are getting? Point A is minus 2 comma 8. This is point A. It is minus 2 comma 8. Then after that, we solve 2 and 3. See, we solve 1 and 2 we did. Now we will solve 2 and 3 to get one more point C. So 2 and 3. X plus y is equal to 6. Then x plus 2y is equal to 5. So we are eliminating x. Clearly we can eliminate x. Plus x minus x cancel. So minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to, we get minus 1. Now we get the x value. So substitute y is equal to minus 1 in equation 2 or 3. So I am taking equation 2. Substitute this. So x plus y is equal to 6 is the equation 2. X minus 1 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 plus 1, we get 7. Now we got point B. So what is point B we are getting? It is 7 comma minus 1. So we got point B. Next what we have to do? We have to solve 1 and 3 or 3 and 1. Both are same. So we will solve. Solve 1 and 3. Okay. Solve 1 and 3. So when we solve 1 and 3, just now we here see, this is equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 3 is x plus 2y is equal to 5. So we have to eliminate either x or y. So to eliminate x, what I do is I multiply equation 3 with 2. so that we can eliminate x terms. 2x, 2x we can eliminate. So first I write equation 1, that is 2x plus y is equal to 4. Now equation 3 I multiply with 2, so that is 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now we are subtracting, minus, okay, so these two cancels. Minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Minus 3y is equal to minus 6. So what is y is equal to? It is minus 6y minus 3. So y value is 2. So after getting y value, what we have to do? Substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1 or 3. Anyone we can use. So what is 1? This is 1 or 3. So I am substituting 1. So equation 1 or 3. You can use either equation 1 or 3. I am using equation 1. So I will substitute now. So equation 1 is 2x plus y. Okay, right. 2x plus y is equal to 4. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Now what is point C? Point C is 1 comma 2. Okay. Now see here we got all the 3 vertices of a triangle. We got A, B, C. All the 3 vertices. So after getting all the 3 vertices, what we do is we assume the circle equation. See, after getting all the 3 points, we assume the circle equation. So let the equation of circle we assume as x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. As already we completed 1, 2, 3 equations, so this will be equation 4. We assume that as equation 4. Now what are the points we got? See, we got minus 2 comma 8 as 1 point and 7 comma minus 1 as a second, and what is the third one? 1 comma 2. Now what you have to do is, earlier we did, last classes we did, when we have 3 points, how we find the circle equation? Substitute minus 2 comma 8 in equation 4, we get one equation. So 7 comma minus 1 also you substitute in equation 4, we get equation number 6. 1 comma 2 you substitute in equation 4, we get equation 7. Then you solve them and find the equation of circle. Okay. So from here you try to solve the problem. After getting 3 points, what we have to do? Substitute all the 3 points in equation 4. Again we get 3 different equations. We get equation 5, equation 6, equation 7. After getting the 3 equations, what you do is solve 5 and 6. You have to solve 5 and 6. Okay. See, solve 5 and 6 and eliminate C. After that, you will get equation 7. Okay, sorry, 8. You will get equation number 8. Then after that, what you do is solve. After 5 and 6, you have to solve 6 and 7. You will get equation 9. So in both the cases, you have to eliminate C. You have to eliminate C. In both the cases, you have to eliminate C. You will get equation 8, equation 9. Then what you do is, you have to solve 8 and 9. So when you solve this 8 and 9, you will start getting F value or G value. Then substitute back and continue. You will get all the 3 values G, F and C. Then after getting all the G, F, C values, substitute back in this equation of circle. Okay. So you try this problem. Right. So this is completed. See, next is we have a formulas. Just note it down. No, these are the formulas. The first one is the length of x-intercept made by the circle on x-axis. The length of x-intercept made by the circle on x-axis is 2 into under root of g square minus c. See, that means the circle is intersecting x-axis. I can see that. Now this is the coordinate axis. Now what is length of x-intercept made by the circle on x-axis? 2 into under root of g square minus c. So how to represent this? Draw one circle. So the circle is cutting x-axis at 2 points. The circle is cutting x-axis at 2 points. A and B. Then what is this length AB called? This length AB is called length of x-intercept. Circle is cutting x-axis at 2 points A and B. So the length AB is called x-intercept made by the circle on x-axis. So this length is given by 2 into under root of g square minus c. And next one is the length of y-intercept made by the circle on y-axis is 2 into under root of f square minus c. So you know the same thing. Here the circle cuts y-axis at 2 points. The circle cuts y-axis at 2 points. At 2 points, what are those 2 points? A and B. So this length is called the length of y-intercept made by the circle on y-axis. And this length is given by 2 into under root of f square minus c. So these are the 2 important formulas. Please note down. So next problem. Find the equation of circle passing through origin and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. So here you have to find the equation of circle using the condition of intercepts 4 and 3. Okay. So first what we do in this problem is we assume the equation of circle. So let the equation of circle be assumed as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 as equation 1. We are assuming the general equation. Now after assuming the general equation, it is given that the required equation of circle. Here required equation means the equation which we are going to find is passing through origin. That means circle passes through origin. Whenever a point passes through origin, what we have to do? This point we have to substitute in this equation. So instead of x, I will substitute 0. Instead of y, I will substitute 0. So when we substitute 0, 0 plus 0. Again, here also we have x term, 2g is eliminated, 12 is eliminated, only c will be left. So circle passes through origin implies what is the value of c? It is 0. So whenever a circle passes through origin, what is direct value? We get c as 0. You can substitute and check, you get c value, or you can write directly. So whenever a circle passes through origin, substitute and check, you will get c value as 0. Substitute in this equation, you will get c value as 0. So after getting the c value, what we have to do is see, it is given. What is given? It is given that the length of x-intercept, the length of x-intercept is 4. Length of x-intercept is given as 4. So what is length of x-intercept given? It is given by the formula. It is given by the formula 2 into under root of g square minus c is equal to, right, plus or minus 4. See, what is length of x-intercept given? 4. That means length of x-intercept is 2 into under root of g square minus c is equal to, you put plus or minus 4. Why it is plus or minus 4? The reason is, here the x-intercept may be positive side or maybe negative side. See, this is x-axis. That minus 4 may be this side or this side. We don't know which side. We just gave x-intercept is 4. So it may be on the positive side or on the negative side. So we don't know which side it is. So that's the reason we take plus or minus. After that, see, 2 into, what is c value? 0. Okay. If I substitute c is equal to 0, we left with 2 into under root of g square. But under root of g square is g. I'll repeat, c value is 0. If I substitute, this is eliminated. Under root of g square is g. So 2g is equal to plus or minus 4. So g value is plus or minus 2. Right? Plus or minus 2. So we got g value. After getting g value, next, the length of y-intercept. The length of y-intercept is given as 3 because intercepts 4 and 3, so y-intercept is 3. That means 2 into under root of f square minus c is equal to plus or minus 3. It is plus or minus 3. Okay. Now c value is 0. So 2f is equal to plus or minus 3. So what is f value? Plus or minus 3 by 2. So f value is plus or minus 3 by 2. Now we have g, f and c. Now all the 3 values we have, just substitute back in equation 1. So we will substitute this. So now substitute g, f and c in equation 1. So what is equation 1? It is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. I'll substitute the value. So we write it as x square plus y square plus 2gx. You can write plus or minus 2 g value to x. Because g value is plus or minus 1, writing it plus or minus 2 into x. Then plus or minus 2 into f value is 3 by 2 y. C value is 0. Okay, c value is 0. Then 2 we cancel. So what is the equation of circle? X square plus y square plus or minus 4x plus or minus 3y is equal to 0 is the equation of circle. So this is completed.